Good morning. So nice to have you join us today. It is Veterans Day, so let's begin by saying a big thank you to all the veterans watching who have served or are serving our country. We thank you so much for your patriotism. We're kind of glad to begin the show with that patriotic idea because Dale Huey is here. He has Patriot Insurance. Good to see you.
Good morning, and thanks to all the veterans.
Thank you to all the veterans. Yeah. So we talked about a month ago, maybe not quite, because in your world, Patriot Insurance, you deal a lot with Medicare.
We do a lot with Medicare, yes.
And this is annual enrollment time.
It is, and it's halfway over.
It goes by quickly, that's right, Dale. The deadline is what, early December?
It is halfway over, December the 7th.
Okay.
This is the last day for open enrollment, so, you know, and but you can, I mean, you can stop by our office and do a review on your plan. Absolutely free, don't cost anything but my time and my staff time.
You know it because it's what you do all day, every day.
Right.
There are people watching who may have been on Medicare for 5 or 10 years, and it's kind of old hat to them too at this point.
Exactly.
But if you're new to this game, so to speak, you're currently a Medicare recipient.
Right. They call them beneficiaries.
Beneficiaries. This is their time of year when you come in and you say, you know what, this part of my policy isn't working for me.
Correct.
This is your chance. But you enjoy, I think you told me, Dale, really kind of talking with your folks to help them get the most bang for their buck.
Get the most bang for your buck. Not all plans are the same, and there are several plans in our area. A lot of the plans that they advertise on TV are not available in this area. Florida has a plan that's just, it runs phenomenal, but it's not available in this area, although it's with one of the same companies that I represent.
Okay, so let's pause there. We all have seen it. You know, you're cooking in the kitchen, sitting down to watch TV at night, and these commercials pop up, and they sound great.
Sounds great.
But it's not the same as what you're going to tell somebody.
No, it's what I want to tell. I know the plans that are in our area, and I'm going to lay out those plans, and we'll go over them and let you decide which one fits your budget and best fits your needs.
Okay, on the budget, I'm not a Medicare beneficiary yet, so I think I know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
That you've got the medical costs, doctor's visits, etc. But then there's a prescription plan too.
There is.
So you need to know, are you somebody who has a lot of prescriptions? Is that where you want to save your money more?
We can do that. Best thing to do is let's go over all of your prescriptions and make sure they are all in the formulary that you of your plan.
Okay.
If they're not in the formulary, then you are responsible for either have your doctor change your prescription to a drug that's in the formulary, or pay for that drug yourself. Okay. And that gets expensive.
So an appointment with you looks like what? Should they bring that list of medications and doctors?
Yes, bring your list of medications, bring your doctors. Let's make sure your doctors is in network. Let's make sure that your prescriptions are in the formulary. And then we'll look at the cost of each individual plan and how it best suits your needs.
Do you need to know things like if somebody lives here now, but maybe they're thinking about moving to Michigan in the spring?
Yes.
Is that important to talk about?
Very much so, because a plan for the state of Tennessee is not the same plan for Michigan. You'll have to change plans. And you can do that even though it's not open enrollment through what they call a special election period.
So if you have a life change, you can
have a life change, right.
Appointments with you, I've got to wrap it up, at no cost?
No cost. No cost. The companies pay us for our services, and we do call it service.
Well, we thank you for coming in here and sharing with us. How appropriate that it's Veterans Day today.
Hey, thank you very much, and thanks again for the vets.
Here's where you can reach out to Dale and the team at Patriot Insurance Solutions. They're going to find that solution for you. PatriotInsInc.com, or just call them, the number there on your screen. Always great to see you, Dale.
Thank you.
Real estate fees have been the same since the dinosaurs.